Hey everybody, I should say good evening. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. We have a U-Haul and we have been through a lot with it. Gotta wash it tomorrow. We hauled 2 entire truck and trailer loads of cement blocks today, and we still got another load to go in the morning, and then maybe another truckload. Nice amount. I'll go show you what we got. On the way over, I'll show you Melanie's raised bed has taken off. This was supposed to be bok choy, but it doesn't like the heat and it really took off. You found a pretty rock? Oh, that is a pretty rock. That took off, and her spinach has bolted, and she's got mustard leaf, which is really looking good. Everything took off. She's got some cabbages, and some more bok choy. The peas and, or no, there's a pepper. Something's eating them. Oh, that's another pretty rock, yes. Over here, look at this. Swiss chard. Amazing. Melanie's doing a really good job over here, but we've had trouble with rodents. Every 1 to 3 days we kill more rodents. They're just non-stop, wave after wave after wave, attacking her plants. It's pretty bad. Now, over here we got a crop of rye coming in of its own accord from the Amish straw. We're just going to harvest it when it's done. And up here during a break today, when we in between the first and second load, I put in some more mint plants. I've got the 2 I did last night. I don't know if I mentioned them. I can't see my camera again. And then what? Oh, that's a piece of carpet that I found under the dirt. There's 1, 2 more mints here, and then I got 2 more over here. I need to get them watered and mulched. I don't think we got rain. We got in a big thunderstorm with the truck today, but we didn't have rain here. There's another one, and there's another one. We've got, now Michelle, stay outside, okay? I'm just going to read the labels here. We've got 4 different unique types of mint. There's orange mint, and over here is strawberry mint, and it smells like strawberries.
I love strawberry mint.
Oh, it's very nice. And then over here we have lime mint, very unique.
I love lime mint.
Lime mint is good. And here we have chocolate mint.
Chocolate mint.
Yes. And then the other day I put in sweet mint and catnip. Yep, catnip. It's a little bit different. That one really makes the cats go wild.
I like it.
Yep. So this herb bed is growing and expanding
That is a big one.
beautifully
Daddy, that's a
this
big
year.
one.
Yeah, it is. That's a nice one. Now over here,
What's the side of it?
where? I don't like spiders. Over here we got some cement blocks. This is 2 truck and trailer loads. We're hauling about 95 blocks a load. Doesn't look like much there, does it? But we're getting 95 blocks per load. And just a minute, Michelle. That's 2. We got 1 more load, 1 more big load to haul. And then we got another 1 or 2 pickup loads after. But we're exhausted, so we're going to call it a day now. That's it for today. Just a brief look. Michelle, look, look here. Do you see this? What's this mean? Yes. She knows. She just looked at me like, camera. Well, anyway, brief update. We were on the road all day. It's after 7 in the evening, and we're done. Just hauling blocks today, and that's it. It was a lot of work. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Brief video from the Homestead today. Please like, subscribe, and share, and follow our daily videos, and see what we do every day. Talk to you later.